Hello, and thank you for choosing Miami Real Estate Images for all your marketing needs. This is going to be a brief video showing you how to create a login for your property website. If this is the first time you're receiving a property website, what you're going to have to do is create a login. So you're going to receive an email from me saying that your property website is ready. This is what the email is going to look like. It has some basic information like the links, branded and unbranded, your marketing kit, a way to download the photos, a way to preview the photos for the property owner, share on social media. But down here at the very bottom, we want to access your account. So what you're going to have to do is scroll down, click this. It's going to bring you to a new window. I'm already logged in, but it's going to essentially ask you to create a user login and password, which you're going to fill out and create. Tell your computer to save it or write it down somewhere so you remember that anytime you want to access this property website or any other property websites that I've done for you, you can. They'll all be in one place. So that's it for creating a user login. After creating a login, you can then access your account anytime by going to sites.miamirealestateimages.com. This will allow you to access the back end of the website at any time. Sites.miamirealestateimages.com. So at that point, use the username and password you created, and it'll take you to the back end of the website where I will now show you how to navigate a little bit, make changes, edit photos, utilize the marketing kit, and things of those nature. The client dashboard. So essentially when you're logged in, I'm logged in as one of my clients, David here. It's going to show your name. It's going to allow you to order a shoot first of all, and then it's also going to allow you to view the properties you've already utilized. So he's done 3 property websites with me. 2 of those properties were sold, so they're sold. This one's the live one, and this is the one we're working on. So from this little link, you can download photos, you can access the marketing kit, you can edit the property information, or you can view the site. We're going to go ahead and click edit property information. This is your main back end to edit the website. This has all your analytics, your marketing kit, allows you to customize the design. Everything you're going to need essentially is on this left tab right here. These are your main tabs. So currently we're in site summary. In site summary, this will allow you to set, what the listing is. Like you could set it as pending, sold, schedule open house. Here's the links to download. And this is great because this is your analytics here. So we haven't set the site out, but eventually underneath here it'll put all the different, it'll put Facebook, Instagram, MLS, Zillow. It'll show all the platforms you're utilizing this website on, and these numbers will go up quick. So in the site media tab, which is the second tab, this is the tab where you're going to be able to manipulate your photos and move them around in any order you feel suits best. You can also remove photos by clicking the eye icon or clicking your favorites. Here we also can remove the floor plan, video, virtual tour. Next one is your site data. Now this is what I'm making this video for all my clients, but this is where I want David to come. Site data, and I want him to add the MLS number, the price, all the details I don't know about the house because it's not live. All I had was the address, and I just happen to know the room count. But if he can fill this information out, this will be part of the website. So here in property description, a lot of time my clients, they'll go to their broker remarks or the property remarks. They'll copy that and just paste it into here. So this way, when they do go live to the site, for example, here's the site. Here in property details, it's going to have more than what I had put in. It's going to have all the description, the MLS number, price. So it'll finish off the job essentially. This job is pretty much done. Besides that, we have our photos, we have our client branding and information, Matterport tour, video, so on and so forth. Let me go back to the site. Then you can go to printed materials. This will allow you to create flyers. There's tons of different templates and options and different things you can manipulate. It already comes with a template set up. You can move these photos around once you get into the editing. Site design. This actually allows you to change the template of the site. So I laid this out in a specific way with these specific colors to try to match my client's overall branding. But you can go to site design here and click that, and it's going to give you a template of, like, I don't know, maybe 8 templates of different site designs you can utilize, and some are different. Some kind of slideshows. You can change the color. You can customize those templates as well, but that's for another video. In site activation, you can also come and copy and paste any of your links. I always tell my clients to copy and paste this unbranded link right here, and you can post that to the virtual tour section of your MLS. Once you do that, anytime someone clicks on your MLS page, when they see the link virtual tour and they click it, it'll take them to your entire project, versus that silly little slideshow thing that they typically see that it automatically pulls the photos in. Make sure you use the unbranded. This is going to follow all your MLS rules. There's going to be no branding on there. Now for all your social medias, you want the branding on there, and you can go ahead and click this top one. Really quick, let's talk about this marketing kit. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but this needs to be taken advantage of as well. So you have some basic links here. You're branded and unbranded again. If you were tech savvy and you wanted to download this little code and have people, capture the code, you can do that as well. It's going to give you some different branded links. It's going to show you the Matterport links separately. It's going to show you the video links separately, the branded and unbranded. It's going to allow you to do your flyers, print your floor plans. You have all these different social media templates as well, so just listed. You could different choices. You can edit them. You can change the photos, new on the market. You can change everything. The template, the text, make it more your brand. House sold. Then you have the after stuff, sold in 10 days, 5 days, 17 days. With this market, who knows, 1 day. There's a full Facebook page printout, Pinterest printout, some teaser slideshows, and yeah, it's a lot of stuff. It's really easy to go through. This is a brief basic video to show you. I suggest you just play around with it. My assistant Alejandra, she will communicate with you over the phone if you have any trouble and help walk you through the process. I hope this helps.